So this is the Framon Express. I've got one in the store, geez, 7+ years now. It's a great machine. It's cut tens of thousands of keys, replaced the cutter, of course. And this is my newer one. And it's last night I cut 170 keys. Every key was flawless. It didn't overheat, didn't jam, didn't anything. It's just a workhorse. Now the other thing I love about this company is if I need parts, and not that I've broken anything on this one, but I can get parts for absolutely every key machine they sell. It's just amazing. The service is phenomenal. They got Phil over there. Give them a call at Framon or order online. They're a great company to deal with. I really like their stuff. I'm not getting paid for this. I just like their key machines. They are great. So I'm just going to cut real quickly. I'm just going to cut a slage key. Slage. Pretty simple. I just put the key there. I'll put the other key on the other side. Get this one. Now the big mistake people make, I'm over exaggerating. That's a big mistake. Just put it in there, let it slide a little bit. I'm going to put on, measure it from the shoulder. You don't have to crank these down, they're just good. I'm going to turn the key machine on. Here's the trick. Push down gently and pull this out with your finger. So just push her down and then release it up. Now the big mistake people make is don't go to the shoulder and don't run it down the tip. So what we're going to basically do here is don't go down, just take it to there, go back. Now I'm just, it's done right now, really. It's done fantastic. And, oops. So there we go. Just got to push it down, it engages. And you should turn it off, but I'm not. I just take it here and right on the back here. But I got a little wire wheel there. I can just give it a little brush. You know, it's more of a thing for the customers. They see you do that, and they think, oh, he's brushed the key. This one doesn't need to be brushed at all. It's a new cutter. It's a new cutter. It's a new machine. It cuts perfect. So, but if I don't do that, when the customer doesn't see me do that, they think, oh, can you brush it or can you file it? Perfect key every time. And we'll go through a few more videos on how to adjust it, how to replace the cutter, and bits and pieces. Fantastic key machine, fantastic service. Everything's great. I love this machine. Highly recommend them. Highly, highly, highly recommend this key machine. And again, because of the great service, besides a great key machine, great service. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.